Hi everyone! Here's our gentle reminder for today. You deserve the same love that you generously give to others. More often than not, we show up for others so easily, with patience, care, understanding, and warmth, without expecting anything in return. Yet somehow, we forget to give the same tenderness to our very own selves. We become our harshest critics, denying ourselves of rest, grace, and compassion. The other night, while celebrating Christmas Eve with friends, we had a deep conversation. One of our friends shared how lost she had felt, how she had been on autopilot, trying to fill the void inside of her in different ways, and questioning her own worth. My heart ached a little while listening because I've been there too, and I know very well that feeling. It took me years to realize that I have been giving all the love to everyone else, but not to my own self. So I invite you to turn inward, to treat ourselves with the same kindness when we are tired, the same understanding when we fall short, and the same patience while we are healing or finding our own way. You don't have to earn love by giving it all away. You are just as worthy of it simply by being. May the love that you pour into others find its way back to you. All right. Happy Friday, everyone. I will see you on the next one. Bye.